Yeah, man.
Africa Wolf King, that's my brother. Wode.
Hey, what am I? What am I? It's all about Africa to the world. So whenever you're doing a video like Africa to the world, you just have to meet the African Wolf King, because it's not gonna be complete without meeting the Wolf of Africa, and that's him, man. My nigga. That's how it is.
Just a local boy. Don't forget my brother here,
Mr. Lazy.
cameraman.
His name is Mr. Lazy.
You can go to my Instagram page. It's Mr. Lazy.
As usual. It's what it is, huh?
Let's go, man. Okay.
Like where I live, I'm very close to the beach.
If you are born from the beach, you will see over here. No. I'm telling you.
Wow. No, I live in the coastal area.
I'm so happy, I'm scared. But not like this, I'm scared cats. Look at them.
Wode Maya got scared, and these guys are so quiet. Wode Maya is praying there. As we can see, there is a fault in the boat. You see the water is coming in. Yeah, because there is a hole there. When we were in that area, you can see here, there is a hole. So that's the thing, and water is getting in. So our friends are very scared, including Wode Maya. How safety, man. My friends here are also so scared, man. We are in the same trip, man.
We're not scared, man.
They were so quiet.
But I saw it. No, because I thought it.
I saw it too, hitting the wall, yeah. Yeah, I saw it too.
This water started coming. I said, no, this is what I saw. It might be a fault. You guys are laughing. He's scared.
That's a fault, you're right.
Never joke with your life, man. I got only one life, bro.
Now you are talking, man.
I got only one life.
Finally.
Don't laugh with me, man.
Now you are talking.
This one, adventure is, bro. I know it's an adventure. This is part of the Africa to the world movement. But hey, this one is so scary, bro. Record this video for me. I'm gonna post it. Only if I make it today. If I make it, I'm gonna post it. If I don't make it, that's all I wanna say. Okay?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna make it, bro.
We're in the middle of nowhere here. We're coming from that island. And you see the water here. It's getting into the boat. And Wode Maya is so scared. You see, he's concentrating. We're still safe though. But these guys are so scared. The shores are nearby. And now they have the belief that we're gonna make it, and they're talking, at least they're smiling. They were crying along the way. Everyone is taking video now.
We're going to make it, bro. We're going to make it.
Water is still getting in, man. See?
I love you, Captain.
They're happy, man.
Why?
They are happy, man. They are very happy now. We made it, man. Even though we had a fault, man. Doesn't want to stay even for a second in this boat, man. So scared. Finally made it, man.